Today I am going to add audio into Blender. First I use Audacity to save audio. I had already clicked the plus sign and add video editing workspace. First of all, test the audio. No sound. Click Scene. Click Audio section. Click Volume. Set it to 1. Sound confirm OK. Now I go back to add the speaker. I actually cannot find this answer anywhere, but I managed to find it. So I made this video for beginner like me. Now click Speaker section and open the file. Again, no sound. Click Min Volume and set it to 1. And audio is back. The rest of the speaker setting is easily searchable online. Now I am just showing how I add the walls or plane into the Blender. All the walls are done. Now the flooring pattern. I copy down the setting while trying, so just add it into the video. The tutorial was teaching something more complex, but I just need this tile settings. Add mapping. Add texture coordinator. Remove normal and connect UV. You should see same shorter mapping panel. When you hit scale 10 you should see 10 rows. And adding Y10 you can see square tiles. Next, just to record down this chroma light setting. When two setting are ticked, it turns scene light on and scene world off. The prefix chroma image is removed, turning into natural silver.